All right, here's the big one, students. This one's called the holy potato. A line and a point are given. We need to make a whole bunch of stuff right here. So here is our coordinate point. It is -3, -1. I'm going to write that down just for fun. -3, -1. And then we have the equation y equals 3x minus 2. And we got to do a whole bunch of stuff here. So here we go. Give all of these things. Give an equation for the vertical line through the point. So if you want to have a vertical line go through this point, you basically just say x equals the x coordinate. So, right there. X equals -3. Done. No spaces. Just make an equation, horizontal line through that point. Remember, if you want to make a horizontal line, you got to say y equals the y coordinate. So y equals the y coordinate. I'm going to say y equals -1. It's a beautiful thing, friends. If you want to have a vertical line go through a point, you just say x equals the x coordinate. If you want to have a horizontal line go through a point, you just say y equals the y coordinate, and then those two things are done. All right, let's move on with our lives. Here we go. An equation for the line parallel to the line and passes through the point. Did that get cut off there on the side? Yeah, that means through. Weird. Okay, so we want to be parallel to the blue line, but also wants to pass through that point. So I know for a fact, students, that it's going to be at least a y equals, let's see, what's the slope of the line? 3? There we go. I know it's going to be y equals 3x, but now I got to find the new y-intercept. So there's lots of things I could do, students. I could actually graph a parallel line. Well, if I know the slope is 3, it's going to go over 1, up 3, over 1, up 3, over 1. Oh, darn it. I ran out of space. Well, not really. Over 1, up 1, 2, 3. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I have a feeling the y-intercept might be 8. Not really a good picture right there. The y-intercept might be 8. I got a feeling. Okay. Remember, there was that new b finder. Okay. If you do the new b finder, you can go b equals, I think it's y minus mx. I believe that's the b finder. Let's try that. Here we go. Okay, so the b value is going to be the y value, which is -1, minus the slope, which was 3, times the x value, which was -3. Let's see here. Subtracting a -9 is actually like +9. Oh, so -1 plus 9 is 8. Oh, cool. Good job. +8. Got him. There it is. So that line right there, if I were to graph that line, it'd be parallel. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of a parallel. I graphed a couple coordinate points. Parallel to each other. All right. Last one right here. What do we got here? An equation for the line that's perpendicular to the line and passes through the point. Okay, so perpendicular means we need to have the opposite reciprocal slope. So that means we would go y equals -1/3x. You type it just like that, no spaces. Let's see here. Now we got to find the new y-intercept. Oh no, we got to do this again. Now I think we can also graph it. So if we do, that's honestly what I would do. So down 1 over 3, right? Okay, here we go. So down 1 over 3. Oh, look at that. It's going to be the same y-intercept. Down 1 over 3, down 1 over 3. There you go. Yeah, that's right. Negative. Yeah, so that's 90 degrees right there. Perpendicular slope. Oh, it's the same y-intercept as the first one. Okay, -2. Yeah, that's not too bad. Okay, so we've done all of these things individually, but I wanted to kind of throw all of them at you in one big swing. So you have to make a vertical line, you have to make a horizontal line, you have to make a parallel line, and you have to make a perpendicular line. So this point gets completely bombarded. Vertical line, horizontal line, parallel line, perpendicular line. Holy cow. So it's kind of a nice little medley there, and that's why it's kind of a lengthy problem. That's called the holy potato.